should count your blessing in every single lesson you learn.
Hey love, Aubrielle here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so excited to have you. So in today's video, I'll be showing you all how to make a simple thank you card using Canva. And the very first thing you want to do is, of course, log on to Canva's website and type in thank you cards to look at the templates. And here are the many templates that Canva has to offer. So just go through them, see which one is your favorite. I chose this one. And of course, we're about to customize it, or I'm about to customize it to the way I like it and to the brand theme that I've been using throughout my entire How to Start an Online Business series. So the first thing I'm doing, of course, is changing the colors from this purple and bluish tint to a more nude and green tint. Like I said, that matches my theme that I've been using throughout this series. Now that I have all the colors changed, or at least the colors of the little leaves or flowers or whatever you want to call them, the next thing I'm doing is deleting the heart element because it doesn't match my theme. Instead, I'm going to use my favorite, the crown, and I'm going to change the color from the color that it is. And I hope you guys paid attention. I pressed delete element instead of delete group. If I was to press delete group, then it would have taken away everything. Now, if you guys are following along and actually doing this at the same time I'm doing it, then don't put your words in yet. I know for a fact that some of you may not even have like a bunny business or whatever business that, you know, is hair care related. So just be mindful that what you put is never set in stone. There's always different ways to customize it. You may want a different font. You may want a different sans. So nothing is set in stone here. I'm just basically customizing and going off the dome here and just using my creativity to create this project. And a template is really only used for customization purposes. So you guys do not even have to use the same way that the template is, you know, made and designed. You can add your own elements and really customize it to fit your needs. Now, of course, we're doing a thank you card. So on the front, you do want to say thank you. And on the back, you want to leave them something special. So in this case, I'm using a discount code for the back of my card. And the way instead of going into like text and re-inserting more text, I like to drag the text that was on the front page and drag it down to the second page. That way the text stays the same, the color stays the same and all that. And I will not have to re-customize my text. But that is totally up to you. You may want a different font on the second page, but I like everything uniformed and just really matching together. And to get a photo such as this one, this is actually a stock photo. You can go to the website pencil.com. No, this video is not sponsored, you guys. I wish I did have sponsored videos at this point. But you can also go to pencil.com and you can use the image feature inside of Canva. And they have free stock photos on there as well. Okay, so this video is basically giving you guys the elements that you would need to put on your thank you card. If you want a more detailed video on how I really use Canva and customize, like giving you step by step, then I recommend that you guys check out my how to make a business card video. It is more in depth and in detail than this one, but this one is just to give you guys the elements. So of course, on the front, you want to tell your customers thank you. And you also want your business name and your logo or your logo on the thank you card somewhere, just so your customer knows it's coming from you. And so like when they're ready to use the discount code, they can know exactly like how to get on your website and just really like, or go to your Instagram, whatever you want to add on here. Just make sure that it represents your brand and that the customer knows how to get back to your brand. So for this one, it says, to this natural beauty, thank you so much for letting us help to protect your natural crown. So the customer will know that this is from Natural Crown Beauty. No, it's not a real, business yet, but the customer will know how to get back to it or whatever, or at least just have you in mind. They're going to see that crown, be like, oh yeah, this is my girl, Natural Crown Beauty, or my business, Natural Crown Beauty. Let me go support, let me go use this discount card. Okay, y'all, as you see, this thank you card is coming to life, and I want to do one more thing. I'm going to change the font from the original font and make it more customizable. And then not only am I going to change it on the first page, I'm going to change it on the second page as well. And don't be alarmed when it says different pages, because what happens is if you get it printed from Canva, then they're going to ask you, like, do you want it front and back? So they're really going to ask you. And if you print it yourself, I believe you do have the option to choose front and back on your printer as well. So don't be alarmed when it says different pages. No, it's not going to give you two different ones with a blank back side. It's going to give you the front and back. And in fact, I will show you guys I can't show you guys because I have a discount code on my thank you cards, but I will insert a picture of the front. So yeah, you guys, that was my thank you card, and I hope you guys take some inspiration from this video. And I really hope you guys also realize that you can take something, customize it, and really create it to be your own, as well as a great representation for your brand. As always, don't forget to educate, encourage, and empower by sharing this video, especially if you know it can help someone else. And also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.
Get turned, 'cause I'ma get mine today. I'm sure.